The question arises how well we can develop linguistic competence of our students through reading. We will see this question in the light of this module. So now first look at what is linguistic competence. Linguistic competence implies a system such as understanding the rules of grammar and developing knowledge for vocabulary actually. So overall, linguistic competence implies how to decode the written text, how the text has been, what are the different devices used by the writer to emphasize the message, what are the discourse markers which are used by the writer to emphasize the main message of the writer. So this is linked with discourse competence, and if our students are not able to identify cohesive links, for example, the use of moreover, the use of in addition to, or the use of furthermore, they may experience problems in terms of interpreting the text. They may misinterpret the text. So it's important to look at the linguistic devices used by the writer, and this is the need of the time, need of the hour that we need to train our students, exposing them, operationalizing the text, making them consciously notice these linguistic items and make meaning. So in this regard, vocabulary is considered very important because it's the vocabulary which can help decode the meaning well. So the research suggests that knowing a lot of vocabulary sometimes may not be helpful in terms of comprehending the text. Rather, making the best use of the existing vocabulary can be important to comprehend a text. So what is needed is the habit of reading for extensive purposes. So, of course, word recognition, word meaning are important to develop communicative competence, linguistic competence. So, when we train our students become automatic in terms of word recognizing, word recognition, their reading fluency develops, their comprehension level develops. So, and it's important that we bring in the text in the classroom which is matchable to learners' level. And I would say that grader readers can be a good option to be used in the second language classroom. And we don't bring in the text that is which has too many unknown words, which has too many unknown linguistic items. So if we want to develop linguistic competence through reading, we make students read familiar passages, make the best use of the existing vocabulary, and just develop skills of skimming and scanning.